Now you want to run. Where you going?
We don't worry about food shortage around here. DIY, easy build chicken coops.
No.
Easy build, easy move. We move these chickens daily. It's like they free ranging in their own protected little area.
Come on, chickens. Get them up, get them up. Gonna range. Herd them up. Herd them up.
Bugs, not drugs, is the way to go.
Herd them up. Come on, guys.
To eat everything that you got left over, don't you know?
Come on, guys. Herd it up.
If you grew up in Ugin, they some hungry little birds. And they the best that you ever gonna see. That's right. The best eggs, the best meat. Bug fed, fresh grass. They all about eating that good stuff. Haha, yeah. Check us out. Raw diet all day, baby. That's right. She's just a miss. Peace. That's why she just lay like that. She's used to getting jumped.